Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on your Motorola Edge 70. So first, what you guys want to do is clean the microphone port with a non-metallic tool. If you use a metallic tool, then you can only damage the port even more. And even if it's not damaged right now, then it can be when you use a metallic tool. So make sure to use a soft brush for an example, or an air compressor, even though I recommend the soft brush myself. So what you guys want to do next is go over to the recorder and now record your voice. As you guys can see, it's moving whenever I'm talking, so I'll stop talking for a second. Now it was not moving, so that means our microphone is registering everything and that is working. But if yours isn't, then what you guys can do is restart your phone to refresh the entire system, including your microphone. So click on the power button and the volume up button. Now what you guys need to do is click on the restart, and after you click on the restart, your phone will start restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second after it is done. Now after the restart, what you guys can do is go over to the settings as a last resort and update your software. So open up settings, scroll down until you guys see system updates, and click check for updates. Then it will check automatically. As you guys can see, I am using the latest software, but if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It can fix a lot of glitches, including your microphone not working properly. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.